Want to know the best Shopify dropshipping strategy for 2019? You're not sure if you should create a general store, a niche store, or a one product store? You are about to find out. Here's what you're going to learn from this video is number one, why I don't recommend general stores for dropshipping in 2019, why I don't recommend one product stores, and number three, why I recommend branded dropshipping niche stores. And I'll show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to achieve similar results to mine. Who am I? My name is Ivisu. I'm a Shopify dropshipper from the Czech Republic. I've scaled my store to multiple six figures with only PayPal, and that's because we don't have Stripe, we don't have Shopify payments in the Czech Republic. And another thing you should know is that I've documented my whole Shopify dropshipping journey from day one on YouTube. So you can check out my other videos to see my progress and how I got to my current numbers. Quick announcement, I'm giving away a one current winning product and the Facebook ad for you to spy on, and also Facebook targeting. All you need to do to win is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment, for example, #IvyLeague. And quick note is the more comments you leave, the higher the chance of winning. Why I don't recommend general dropshipping stores is because people nowadays, they can recognize those stores and they'll be asking, is this shipped from China? Because they have been burned by these dropshippers sending products very late or not sending it at all. And that's why, these stores, they also have a lower conversion rate and they also have a lower average order value. Another big problem is they have a low return customer rate. This is something a lot of dropshippers and a lot of Shopify dropshipping YouTubers don't talk about, and it's so important, is that return customers are almost free sales, with zero ad spend. Maybe you send an email and they'll just come back and purchase. And so those sales are very, very profitable. Another thing that I don't like about general dropshipping stores is you'll constantly have to find new winners after your winner stops selling. So, it's kind of like just tedious. How to spot a general store. So those are the things that you shouldn't be doing is upsell table, the volume discounts. That is like all the stores, they have that. That's a really quick way how to spot a dropshipping store. You shouldn't have like too many guarantees and like 3 reasons to buy from us. You shouldn't have the countdown timer like the Harify, and you shouldn't have these neon colored old-fashioned trust badges. Those are also no good. You shouldn't be using apps like Wheelio or Spin to Win. I think it's from Privy. I don't recommend those exit intent pop-ups like these as well. Here are some general dropshipping store examples. If you want like the full list, top list of dropshipping stores, that's on my messenger bot. The link is in the description, so just look at that later on. Why I don't recommend one product stores is that it's not a good method for beginners. To force a product into being a winner, you have to have marketing experience. This is also another reason why this is risky for beginners. Another reason why this is risky for beginners is you can choose the wrong product. You can't just force it into a winner. Another problem for intermediate people is that when your winner stops selling, you have to create a new store, you have to change your store, and that is just too much extra work. Another thing is risky and stressful when you're just depending on one product and one store. You're just not diversifying your risk. I would recommend one product stores only if you're experienced and you have scaled a dropshipping product to 6 or 7 figures before, or if you will be focusing heavily on branding, or if you have a big budget like $10,000 or more. I'm not saying that one product stores are bad, like definitely one product stores are good, but I just don't recommend it to 99% of people who are just not at the level to start those stores. Example of a one product store. So you can check out these. It's like the Shop Gym Next, and another one is Pug Life Harness. So, check those out a little bit later. I've also attached the ads so you can spy on those ads. Here's what you do instead. Create a branded dropshipping niche store. Why do I recommend this? Is because you'll have a higher conversion rate. Your average order value will be also higher because people will be looking around your store and buying more. They'll be buying your upsells, your cross sells, You'll also have a high return customer rate. It will be way easier to find new winners. Also, email marketing just works better. And the screenshots, the 2 screenshots below are from email marketing. As you guys can see, 17% is from email marketing, around $18,000, and one email just made $1,000. So let's talk about niche store examples. Here are just a few of those. So check those out a little bit later. This PDF file and all the links will be in my Facebook group. So the link is in the description. You can just join my Facebook group, which is Shopify Dropshipping CEOs by Ivy Zhu. How do you actually launch a branded dropshipping store? Step number 1 is you first start with a general store and choose a store name that can be used for any niche. It's like a neutral name. For example, brewmate.com. Definitely do not name your store like deals, trendy, gadget, or general. Just don't do that, because later on it will be harder to turn it into a niche store. Also, to come up with the name, just combine 2 words together using namemash.com. Step number 2 is build your store. You can use Debut or Brooklyn theme, or even a paid theme like Booster or Shoptimize. Those paid themes are not necessary. I used Brooklyn to scale to 6 figures and it was completely fine. No countdown timers, no neon-y, and no too much colors on your trust badges and on your store. No video app, no excessive guarantees, no outdated bright colored like trust badges, no quantity upsell tables. You can use Vitals 40 instead. It looks better and it's easier to use. This is kind of how it looks. You just can click on it and it will go immediately to the cart page. Step number 3 is find product to test. And product research is a very long topic. So that's why I just recommend you guys to check out this video, how I found my 6-figure winning product. This will teach you like 6 product research methods that you can use. Step number 4 is create a video ad. Find an Aliexpress video or a non-popular video with few views. Edit it together. Just don't show the faces if you're taking the video from someone else. But the ideal situation is if you can shoot your own video, if you buy the product and you shoot it on your iPhone, because this is just better. Don't infringe on copyright. Also check out my video exposing the winning Facebook ads of 2018 and 19. There I show you the best ads, the best Facebook video ads, and I show you how to create good ads basically. Step number 4 is testing. So launch 6 to 8 ad sets, $5 a day. Target tier 1 countries. Target 20 to 65 plus Facebook feed or Instagram feed, or you can also target automatic placement. It's totally up to you. I also recommend doing a WC purchase. Always do conversion and don't do traffic, don't do any PPEs. That's what works the best. You can do 1-day click and just do single interest targeting. And mostly, you should be choosing around 2 million to 50 million audience sizes, but you can also create a few ones that are a little bit bigger. That's also totally fine. If you want to know like exactly how I test a product and how I would launch it and show it in the ads manager, just check out this video. There I kind of show it. I also show you my winning product as well. Step number 5, if your product is getting sales on day 1, you should start launching every day like 8 to 20 ad sets per day at $5 to $20 a day, depending on your budget and depending on your daily sales. Step number 6 is you should be hiding all the unrelated products to your winner. You can just delete them or make them unavailable. And you should be starting to look for complementary products to upsell in the same niche. Step number 7 is once you're at $1,000 to $2,000 a day, order the product with Amazon or Aliexpress with fast shipping to yourself and shoot the video yourself. Or you can use eComBits. This is something that I've used. There's a discount code in the description. Another thing you should be doing is do deep research on your niche. Understand the pain points, what they want to buy. Just do the research on Google, on Amazon, and on other stores as well. If you have a winner, scaling will be easy. Just launch a lot of ad sets at $10 to $30 a day. Duplicate the best ad sets into campaign budget optimization campaigns, which you can launch at $100, $250, $500, or $1,000 a day. You should be retargeting with dynamic product ads, with image ads, with carousel ads, and also with video ads. This is kind of like a long topic. So for that, I just recommend you to check out my 1-hour video, which is a free course. It just breaks everything down a little bit more in detail than in this video. Step number 8 is once you're at $1,000 to $2,000 a day, you should stop using AliExpress. You don't use Oberlo, don't use DSR's app, don't use Dropify anymore with Aliexpress, just find a third-party supplier in dropshipping Facebook groups or in my Facebook group. And with the third-party supplier, you'll have cheaper prices, faster shipping, and it will be easier to fulfill orders. Watch my video on suppliers so don't get almost banned like me because of suppliers, because of unreliable suppliers. So I also highly recommend you to check out this video as well. Step number 9 is at around $3,000 to $5,000 a day, you should be looking for a new winner. Look for similar products to your current winner that kind of look very similar, or there are just a slight variation. Another thing is, what you can also do is look for old winners in the same niche and launch them as well. Step number 10 is at around $3,000 to $5,000 a day consistently, you should be looking to hire an email marketing expert to make you extra 10 to 20% revenue or more. And you can find them in big dropshipping Facebook groups, or you can talk to James Matthewman, who is my email marketing expert. He's currently giving free strategy calls now, so you can talk to him. Basically, like the results he's giving me, you guys can see in the screenshots. So step number 11, at around $3,000 to $5,000 a day consistently, you should be getting prepared for a PayPal or a Shopify payments hold. You should be saving up your money. You could also get another credit card. You should be talking to your supplier and asking him if you can pay him 1 week later after he ships the orders. And this will kind of help you with the cash flow. Another thing is get your company documents ready for the holds. If you don't have a company, incorporate it either in your country or in the United States. I have a company in Czech Republic. Another thing, if you want to know what to do with PayPal holds, the questions they're asking, just join my Facebook group, and in the file section, I have their PDF with like all the questions. Another thing that I want to talk about is that I'm working currently on a group coaching program, which is called Ecom Dream Team. You will be coached basically by 6 and 7 figure dropshippers, and this will be a group coaching program, like a long-term group coaching program for people who are serious about dropshipping and they're taking it as a real business, not as a hobby. So we're still working on it. It will be probably launched in just a few weeks. Another thing, guys, I wanted to remind you is about the giveaway. So make sure to subscribe, like this video, and leave some comments on this video in order to win current winning product and the Facebook ad that you can spy on, and also the Facebook ad targeting. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.